Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today's recipe is leftover chapati makeover. Shredded chapati omelette for breakfast is one of my favorite ways to use leftover chapati. Eggs for breakfast is very filling and will keep you going for a long time. This entire recipe can be put together in under 30 minutes and is a favorite at home. Here is how to do it. Break couple of eggs to a bowl. Add in some cracked black pepper and a pinch of salt. Whisk the eggs well to combine. Heat a griddle and add in a little oil. When the oil is hot, add in the whisked eggs. Let the eggs cook on one side. Flip the eggs and cook on the other side too. Remove the omelette from the griddle and set aside on a plate to cool. Chop the leftover chapati into small bits. You can even coarsely shred the chapati by hand, but I prefer chopping them. I have used about 5 to 6 chapatis for this recipe today. If your chapatis are small, use a couple of chapatis more. Our chopped chapatis are ready, set aside. Heat oil in a pan and add in the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and dried red chilies. Add in the peanuts. Peanuts adds a nice crunch to the dish. Add in the chopped ginger and chopped curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds. At this stage, add in the chopped onions. Saute till the onions are nice and soft, about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once the onions are soft, add in the green chilies. Add in the turmeric powder, ASAFOETIDA, and the salt. Saute for a minute more. At this stage, add in our potatoes. I have used one large potato today. Chop them into small cubes so they cook evenly and they cook faster. Add in the green peas. Mix everything well to combine. Close the pan with the lid and reduce the flame to low. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes till the potatoes are nicely cooked and roasted. It's been about 4 to 5 minutes. Take a small piece of potato and press. The potato should be soft and mashable. At this stage, add in the mint leaves and our shredded chapati. Mix well to combine. Cook briefly for a minute for the chapati to warm up. If the chapati is very dry, sprinkle a little water. Mix everything well to combine. Now add in our omelette. The omelette has been chopped into small bits, so you get a small piece of egg in every bite. Add in the chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well to combine. Our Pichipotta Chapati Omelette is ready. Serve hot immediately. For a variation, you can sprinkle some save or bhujia and serve. If you are in a hurry, you can skip adding the veggies. You can also use already boiled and diced potatoes and it works just fine. Do try this recipe at home when you have chapatis or rotis left over from dinner. This is an excellent way to turn around those dry chapatis and give them a makeover. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.